Local and federal investigators are now investigating the theft of roughly 24 ballots.
That's right. The voting materials and other mail were found about 20 miles south of where they were mailed in San Jose. KTVU South Bay reporter Jesse Gary tells us someone dumped the ballots in a ravine.
20 miles south of San Jose, the latest mystery in a mysterious election cycle. Approximately 24 ballots and other pieces of mail tossed in a ravine near Sugarloaf Road and Highway 17. One of the ballots belongs to San Josean Lou Whitkin.
We had the mail-in ballots all filled out by Sunday evening, and we said, well, why wait?
Whitkin and his wife of 48 years both mailed their ballots November 6th at this post office on Payne Avenue. Election Day came and went, and then their ballots were discovered Veterans Day in the ravine.
I am concerned that these ballots were in the possession of the Postal Service and would like to know exactly what happened.
Registrar of Voters Shannon Boucher says her office is assisting a U.S. postal investigation. Investigators were examining one mailbox Monday afternoon. In a statement, spokesman Justin Hastings says in part, Postal Management is aware some mail, including ballots, were recovered in Santa Clara County, California last week. We have confirmed the ballots were provided to the Registrar of Voters.
This is a big deal, and it's not only a local state crime, it is also a federal crime.
Cal State San Bernardino criminal justice professor Brian Levin says investigators must determine if there was an attempt to interfere with the election or if this was simply mail theft, which happened to snare ballots as well.
We have the safest and most trustworthy election system in the world.
The Whitkins don't believe their ballots would have impacted any race or state measure. They're confident in the system and say they'll once again trust the mail to deliver their election choices in 2024.
We expect that they're going to investigate this, identify what the problem was, and take corrective action.
The Postal Service says they'll have no further comment until their investigation is complete. The Registrar of Voters in this county says they're consulting with the county council to see if the ballots can be accepted or, since they were received after Election Day, if they must be destroyed. In West San Jose, Jesse Gary, KTVU Fox 2 News.